Well, Wooly here, guys. Then at Red Branch, I'm going to hopefully get this winter shelter, winter bushcraft shelter built finished today and in this video, and then that means then I'll be able to get out and get a night out. Now, guys, the fire is lit. It is freezing. It was -7 here last night. That is super cold for us. And Red Branch is a cold part of our area, so I'm going to get the kettle on, and then we'll go over and get cracking. Stay tuned. What do you think, Bruno? Precariously balanced, just like my life, just the way I like it. Let's go up and see what's going on over here. So here we are. This is where we left it the last time, guys. So what you can see is we built up these walls, put our tarp on. And yeah, put our tarps on, build up the walls, guys. Tarps are doing okay. Generally what happens with the tarps, guys, is that they're sort of a bit blowy, but then the pine needles fall on them and it sort of holds them down a wee bit. Do you know what I mean? I could, if I really wanted them to stay in place. I do have some really long thin bits, and I could put it from here across, right across the front to the other side, and just tie it down, but I'm not worried about that. Or look, you can just pick up a branch and chuck it up on top and it'll do the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I've decided to go ahead with the pallet bed, which is over behind me. Actually, I think you can just see it there, where the tent teepee used to be. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to have to manhandle it in. Maybe get a tape measure and see if it fits first. Seriously. And guys, I might level the bed with an actual level. Loads of room. Okay, so I just have to be careful because I have a hazel tree and another hazel tree here. Okay. Now I was going to move them, guys. I was going to move them, but I actually decided to keep them because this is only going to be a temporary thing, okay? And as this is like my mock-up for a permanent one. I'm going to build over here in the clearing where you can just see cooler there. So I've always fancied building something there. It's a really good spot. So it's funny, like you don't realise, but like just off camera, Bruno is like going mental and just generally being dog. So it fits, guys, it fits. I was going to say this stump is going to be an issue, but it's not. The stump is now gone. So do I raise it? Do I keep it low? I don't know. I do have some tiles and stuff that I could put into place and lift it up a bit. And put it in and see how it is. It's not like it's really heavy or anything. It's really heavy or anything. So you'll see it when I drag it over in front of you. G'day, Bruno. If you're watching videos on YouTube, guys, and you see these people building shelters, right, and they build their beds first, guys, there's a reason for it. It's much easier. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's quite low. It's quite low, that's the only thing. So what that would mean is the simplest way to do it, guys, would be to cut off a big log that goes from here to here, then another one that goes from there to there along the back, and lift the whole thing up. And that I'll go see what I have lying about. Guys, you're way all over the place. I'll go see what I have lying about, see if I can get something to fit in there to save me having to cut stuff. So I got these. These will work. Slightly different. Put them in this way, underneath, and that will work, and that will lift it up a little bit. And if it's a little bit uneven, I'll just have to learn how to how to cope with it, because it's going to be awkward enough to sort out. Yes. Yes, Wally. Yes. Okay. Okay, so guys, all it did is I have some tiles that are sort of laying about at Red Branch that we use for lighting fires on. So using the tiles and some little pieces of fencing, I just sort of raised up the center here so that probably could come up a wee bit more at the front, just to take the pressure off. Now, I've moved it out from the back. Sorry, it is out from the back a little bit. That is just to take me away from any potential leaks, okay? And what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to build up these walls higher and this one higher as well, guys. So I'm going to go I'm going to go and gather up some wood. Well, I'm hoping that the kettle is boiled first. So the coffee was ready. Oh, it's cold. Not the coffee's not cold. The coffee's warm. It is cold in general. Everything is cold. My ass is cold. My ass is cold. Bruno's pointing. Bruno's pointing. There's a lot of birds down here, and he's easy, easy. Good dog. Good dog, good dog. Yeah, let's get back at it. Interesting. You can have that, Bruno. Good dog. Good dog. Right, getting sidetracked there. Starting to build stuff I don't need to build yet. Okay, right. Here we are, guys, in the evening light. So, this is what I want to do. I just want to build this up. Probably going to tie them on as well, guys. So here is the plan, guys. I'm going to build these up. I'm going to tie them on, and I'm not going to worry too much about it. Guys, we are so close to being done. So close to being done. Bed is in. I have actually decided that I am going to stop my walls at this height. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is to put a wee bit of a wind wall in, so I can have a little fire here, and that's pretty much it, guys. So let's get this last log up on this side. Ow! Of course, crushed my hand. It's always the tiniest pieces that end up sort of causing you the most amount of heartache. You know, a little tiny branch section or something like that is just sort of sticking the wrong way, and everything ends up lifting about 2 or 3 inches. You know, so where is it? I generally find, guys, you can, if it's not working out for you, right? And remember, we're talking about basic hand tools here. If it's not working out for you, just roll the log and see what happens. Generally, I find they fit a little bit better if you roll them about the place. So, yes, I get this done. Turn you back on when I'm finished. Guys, here it is. the last one, guys. I am going no higher than this. Okay, so of course, no chainsaws today, but my dogs are going mental. Guys, that's pretty much it. That is it. That is what I'm going to leave that at. I did. Let me see now. That's it. I suppose I better go in and model it for you. That is it. That is. Now there is something that you never wanted to see in your lives, guys, and that is me in this position. Guys, it is, the bed is not, it's not level, but all I got to do is figure out what way it works for me, and it'll be 100%. Probably needs to be raised up at the back a little bit, but that is it. Now, this is going to be my winter camp, my winter campsite. I'm going to put a fire just right here, just right there where you guys are, a little bit outside, and a little bit outside the overhang itself to get some heat in here, guys. I'm going to make quite a wide fire as well. So yeah, cool. All I used was my brain, which was hard work at times. Battery's going to die. I'll do this fast, guys. I used my hands, the Varstulika Pucko, backhoe folding saw, and a halter for axe, guys. And that is it. And a rake of baling twine. Stay frosty. Thanks for watching.